Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix pin not being accepted on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Let's begin! So, as you can see, I have my unlock screen, which is of course the pin, and unfortunately I have forgotten the password. What can I possibly do? Well, unfortunately there is only one thing you can do, and it is to perform a factory reset. Now, before we actually begin, and I will actually show you how to do this, I first need to give you a little warning that this will remove your password, sure, but with that it will also remove all your images, all your videos, all your applications, all your photos, contacts, messages, everything will be gone from your device, and it will just behave like a new one. So you just want to be very, very careful if you are really sure that you want to do this. Anyway, with that warning out of the way, let's begin. First of all, we want to power off our device, and you can do that by pressing and holding the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds, like this, and then just go into power off. And after a moment, we should hear a little vibration, which means that our device is now powered off. And after that, you can just start pressing and holding the power button with volume up button at the same time, like this. And this one will take much longer. In my testing, it was about 10 seconds, maybe sometimes even 15, but you want to be really, really patient. And even if we see HUAWEI logo, we want to keep pressing and holding until we hear a little vibration. We can now let go of the power and volume keys, and congratulations, we are now inside the recovery mode. Now you want to go down using the volume down button, go into clear data using the power button, and now, as you can see, we can wipe our cache, which is not something we want, but instead we want to go into factory reset. Let's go into power button once again. And now you want to just go and click yes, and then touch the button below to confirm the factory reset, and this will wipe all user data on this device. So all you want to do is just type in yes, and just go into factory reset. Now, I'm not going to click it because I really like my data on my device, but after you click this button, you will begin performing a factory wipe, the data wipe, sorry, and after that you can just reboot your device and you will have a welcome screen from the setup. And yeah, actually that's all for the video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.